Sheree's Truck. Where's that name come from then?
Short for Sheree's Truck.
No.
Sheree's Truck. My brother and their kids always call me Ree, short for Sheree.
Yeah.
So yeah, Ree's Truck.
Makes
Sheree's
sense now.
Truck.
See, I've always wondered all these years.
Yeah. A lot of people can't connect what it is, but yeah.
I know, I thought it was a model of a truck or something. I'm thinking, nah, it's no model like that.
No.
And I was thinking, nah, couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, no,
There you
Sheree's
go.
Truck.
No,
It's very personalised.
it's your little baby.
Yeah.
It's the second toy. Is it the second toy or the first toy?
First. First for me.
Now the first toy in the family.
It's the second toy in the family. But the first one for me, one and only.
Oh, cool.
It'll only be the one.
Neat, eh? Why green? It's bright green.
It was green when we bought it.
Okay.
We started looking in the States to import a truck.
Yeah.
And Neil McNichol rang one day and said there's a truck on Trade Me. So we have to go and have a look at it, and I looked at the ad and I said, but I don't want a green truck. He said, no, you have to have a look. And I said, but I don't want a green truck. So we ended up with a green truck. Good bones,
You can
no
blame
rust.
Neil.
Yeah, that's all Neil's fault.
Yeah, blame him.
So we just keep the same colour.
Cool.
Yeah.
Excellent.
No, it's great.
It actually suits it. It looks really cool, actually. Yeah.
It stands out.
Stands out, eh?
Yeah.
Man. No, it's neat. I love it. Looks awesome.
It's an awesome truck.
Okay. Took this
Flash
on the roof.
around in
What
it.
made you go that way?
There was already was it glitter when we first bought it? It already had a glitter roof.
Yeah.
But the boys decided it needed a bit more glitter. So yeah, a little bit more glitter went on, and then they decided no, glitter needs to go. And it's like, well, no, it needs to stay now.
Actually, oh,
It needs to
cool,
stay.
eh?
Yeah.
It's a neat truck. I like it. The detailing's cool.
So no, it's good fun just to let around it.
Cool.
Been on a run with Girls and Girls. There's a new group being set up for
Yeah.
women in their vehicles.
Excellent. Seen that.
So I've done the first run with that. So yeah,
Cool.
sort of getting out a little bit.